Homemade Hyderabadi Dum Biryani and Watalappam recipe for Eid festival, easy and affordable for beginners. Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak to all our multi-recipes and cookeries channel viewers. Today, in the spirit of Eid celebrations, we're bringing you a special treat, homemade Hyderabadi Dum Biryani paired with delicious Watalappam. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this recipe is for you. It's affordable, easy to follow, and guaranteed to impress your family and friends. So, let's dive into the world of aromatic spices and mouth-watering flavors. Segment 1: Ingredients for Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. First, let's gather the ingredients for our Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. For this recipe, you'll need 1. Basmati rice, 2 cups. 2. Chicken or lamb, 500 grams, cut into pieces. 3. Yogurt, 1 cup. 4. Onions, 3 large, thinly sliced. 5. Tomatoes, 2, chopped. 6. Ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. 7. Green chilies, 4, slit. 8. Fresh mint leaves, ½ cup, chopped. 9. Fresh coriander leaves, ½ cup, chopped. 10. Garam masala, 1 tablespoon. 11. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. 12. Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. 13. Saffron strands, a pinch, soaked in 2 tablespoons of warm milk. 14. Ghee, clarified butter, 4 tablespoons. 15. Oil, 2 tablespoons. 16. Salt, to taste. 17. Water, as required. Segment 2: Preparation of Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. 1. Start by soaking the basmati rice in water for about 30 minutes. 2. In a separate bowl, marinate the chicken or lamb pieces with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. 3. Heat ghee and oil in a large pan. Add the sliced onions and fry until golden brown. Remove half of the fried onions and set them aside for later use. 4. To the remaining onions in the pan, add marinated chicken or lamb pieces along with chopped tomatoes, green chilies, mint leaves, and coriander leaves. Cook until the meat is tender and the tomatoes are soft. 5. In a separate pot, boil water and cook the soaked basmati rice until it's 70% done. Drain the water and set aside. 6. Now, it's time to assemble our biryani. In a heavy-bottomed pan, layer half of the partially cooked rice followed by the cooked chicken or lamb mixture. Sprinkle some fried onions, garam masala, and saffron milk. 7. Repeat the layering process with the remaining rice and chicken or lamb mixture. Top it off with the remaining fried onions, ghee, and saffron milk. 8. Cover the pan tightly with a lid and cook on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes to allow the flavors to blend together and for the biryani to cook in its own steam. Segment 3: Ingredients for Watalappam. 1. Jaggery or brown sugar, 1 cup. 2. Coconut milk, 2 cups. 3. Eggs, 4. 4. Cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon. 5. Nutmeg powder, ½ teaspoon. 6. Cashew nuts, 1/4 cup, chopped. 7. Raisins, 1/4 cup. Segment 4: Preparation of Watalappam. 1. In a saucepan, melt the jaggery or brown sugar with a little water until it forms a syrupy consistency. Let it cool down. 2. In a mixing bowl, beat the eggs thoroughly. 3. Slowly add the coconut milk to the beaten eggs while stirring continuously. 4. Strain the egg and coconut milk mixture to remove any lumps. 5. Add the cooled jaggery syrup, cardamom powder, nutmeg powder, chopped cashew nuts, and raisins to the mixture. Stir well to combine. 6. Pour the mixture into individual molds or a baking dish. 7. Steam the watalappam for about 30 to 40 minutes until it sets and becomes firm. 8. Once done, allow it to cool down before serving. Segment 5, Presentation and Serving. Ready to be served. The aroma wafting from these dishes is enough to entice anyone. Arrange the biryani on a platter, garnish with some fresh coriander leaves and fried onions. Serve it hot with raita or salan. As for the watalappam, it's best enjoyed chilled. You can serve it as a dessert or a sweet treat after the hearty meal. Eid Mubarak to you and your loved ones. May this festive occasion bring joy, peace, and prosperity to all. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining us today and celebrating Eid with us through these delightful recipes. We hope you give them a try and enjoy them with your family and friends. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more such content. Eid Mubarak once again, and happy cooking. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.